I'm Tanisha. In this video, we're going to learn how to do the double crochet stitch. Please hit the like button and subscribe. It'll help others locate this channel and also help us grow as we are a new channel. All right, we've chained 15. Let's adjust the camera. We're going to be doing a double crochet. So we're going to skip 2 loops away from the hook. 1, 2 of the chains. We're going to skip them. Chain from the hook. We're going to yarn over once, go into the loop, pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your crochet hook, yarn over again, and with this you're going to pull through 2 of the loops, yarn over again, pull through the last 2 remaining loops, and that is a double crochet. Let's try it again. Yarn over, go into the next chain, pull up a loop, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, a double crochet. Let's try it again. Yarn over, go into the loop, into the chain, pull up a loop, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, pull through the 2 remaining loops, and that's a double crochet. We're going to go all the way across. Uh-oh. Don't worry about if you mess up. No one's perfect, so it's fine. You can always start over. Pull out the stitches. If you miss a stitch, a hoop or a stitch, you always want to take it loose and go back a little bit. It'll make the work look neater in the end. Pull through 2 loops, pull through the last 2 loops. Yarn over, go into the chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through the last 2 loops. Yarn over, go into the chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, pull through the 2. It's a pretty fast working stitch. I don't know if you can tell. We're to the last chain in this foundation row. We've completed it. Want to do a second row. You want to chain 2. Turn your work. You want everything to stay uniform. You're going to skip this space, yarn over, and go into this stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2. Looks like we got a piece of Sasha's hair, guys. Oh no. Yarn over, go into the stitch, pull up 2, pull through 2. Pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. Sorry guys, that's Sasha in the background. She heard the mailman. Let's continue. Yarn over, go into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. We got one more to go. Did we miss one here? Nope, that's it. And that is how we double crochet. Thanks for watching.